In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Instagram accounts temporarily. Maybe you need a break from social media, or you just want to step away without permanently deleting your profile. Deactivating your Instagram account is a great way to go offline for a while still keeping all your posts, followers, and messages safe for when you're ready to come back. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Instagram in your browser and go to your main home dashboard. This is the page where you normally see your feed, with posts from people you follow. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to deactivate. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open your profile page where you can see your posts, bio, and profile picture. From here, we're going to head into the settings where the deactivation option is hidden. On your profile page, find the small gear icon next to your username and click it. That gear icon is the shortcut to your settings. When the menu opens, look for the option called Settings and Privacy and click on it. This is where Instagram groups most of the controls for your account. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll until you see something called Account Center. Go ahead and click on that. Instagram and Facebook use this section to manage connected accounts, and it's also where you'll find deactivation options. Once the Account Center opens, look for Manage Accounts and select it. You'll now see a list of accounts connected to this login. Find the Instagram account you want to deactivate and click on Manage next to it. Double check you're choosing the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. On the next screen, you'll see several options related to that account. Look for Deactivation or Deletion and click on it. This is where Instagram explains the difference between temporarily deactivating and permanently deleting. For now, we're focusing on deactivation, which is reversible. After you've selected the deactivation option that fits your needs, click on Continue. Instagram may ask you to confirm your choice, select a reason, or re-enter your password. Just follow the prompts on screen. Once you finish, your account will be hidden until you decide to log back in and reactivate it.